everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I just got back, like literally got home, unpacked my car, took a shower. Here I am because I have my Chic Sparrow around, my Chic Sparrow second chance sale to open up, and my Windham Nano. So I'm going to cut the end off of that. We'll save that. Well, let's just go ahead and pop that open. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, and this is awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is so cool that she sent that with these. Ah. And I love Cocoa Daisy, so yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at the little tiny bag. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is fabulous. This is an amazing orange. Oh my goodness. Let me give you the full effect against the white box. That is amazing. So this is the Windham, and it's an Odyssey leather, and it's the orange rust. And holy cow, I freaking love that. So this is a Nano, and it's like my honey, and yay! So there's that. Very excited. Thank you, Anissa, for the extra goodies from Chic Sparrow, or from Cocoa Daisy. Love that. All right, now to see what we actually got from the second chance sale. And of course I didn't bring in my little cutter because I totally spaced it, and so now we're going back to the scissors, which are a little bit bulky, but that's okay. There's that, and just trying to get the side here without, I didn't cover up my address, so I don't want to put that out on the internet, on the interwebs, as my husband would say. Okay, that, and let's get this one. Okay, so that should take care of that. I hope. Oh, I of course did it backwards. That's all right. All right, so you're not gonna look at the receipt, because last time I did that, oh yay! Okay, as you remember, I got the small bag, the Passport Deluxe, and a Nano, and these are all second chance. So a second chance is you don't know what you get. So I have no idea what the bag is made out of. It's probably a Waypoint, either black or brown, and then the other two. Now, before I open those, I will say I saw someone actually laminate this sheet here and make a dashboard out of it. So I'm going to make some Nano dashboards with this, because I thought that was fabulous. I'm like, oh, I love that. Oh. Okay, all right, let's look at the bag first. Oh my God. It's bigger than I thought, and this is the small. So it's got a scuff right there, but that looks like a, one second. As I said, I just took a shower. I want to make sure I don't have any lotion or anything on my hands, but oh my gosh. Oh, that bag smells so freaking wonderful. So there's the inside of it, if you can see it. And then the outside, so it's got that little scuff mark right there. But oh my goodness, I love this. I may have to get like the extra small, which I think is like, this is the small, literally the small, and I have huge hands. So I will compare it to the Passport here, so you can kind of get a clue to it, but that is beautiful. Oh, and we'll go with this is the Passport Deluxe, and I have no idea. So let's see. Seems like a smooth leather. There's no pebbles or anything, so it's not a Pemberley. Oh, it's the Nightingale. Oh, I think it's the Nightingale. It's not the Castle Rock, I don't think. But that's cute. This is a color that I was not really fond of, but because I thought it was a lot lighter, but this one seems darker. And this, you know, this may actually be a Castle Rock because it's got the old style pen loop. I don't know. So if you guys know which leather this is, let me know down below. It does have a couple of scuff marks, but this will just be in my handbag. So, you know, I mean, it's got some beautiful markings in it. There's like a little scuff there. And then I actually think this is literally part of the leather. It's part of the hide itself. So, but it is gorgeous. I actually really like that because you can kind of see how the leather has it right there too. It looks like watermarks, but it's not. It's part of the leather. You can kind of see that. So that's awesome. I actually really like that. So again, if you know what this leather is, let me know. I think it's Castle Rock, but I'm not sure. And now for the Nano. Oh, I'm betting it's Pemberley. Oh yay! I think it's a Black Beauty. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. And I do not have a black one. I like that. Ah, so cool. So there's the black and the orange. I have done very Halloweeny. So this is definitely a Pemberley. I can just tell by the texture of the leather. So I don't think it's like technically a Black Beauty. I think it's I can't remember what the black leather for the Pemberley is. Now, I freaking love those pebbles on the back. See how thick they are? They're not as thick on the front, sadly. But again, these get thrown in my bag. And so I'm loving that I have a black one. I may actually change out the elastics and do it black, and then take a black Sharpie and go around with black instead of the white. But I really like that. I did very, very well. Yay. So, yeah. A little bit of old school things going on. So there we have them. So a deluxe Passport and 2 Nanos. And, oh my God, this bag is fan-freaking-tastic. I love it. And so, oh, I was going to show you. So this is a Passport size. And so it definitely fits in there. And I know a pocket does. So a pocket would fit in there as well. So, and Nanos definitely fit in there. So you can just kind of see how they would go in. But I am in love with the Wickham. Oh my gosh. I really love the Wickham with the waypoint because it brings out those orange undertones in there. See how that is? Oh, that is just, when you do the wrinkling and you get that, oh, that pull up, so pretty, so pretty. And so this is what, I mean, a Nano would look like in there. You can do, you could even do 2 Nanos. And this is the small, as I said, the small bag. And so it's the width of 2 Nanos. And you could stand them up back to back. So that's how wide, let me get that all the way, that is with 2 Nanos in there. But, and you've got plenty of room this way. You can put 2 Nanos that way easily. I mean, you could literally put 4 in there. But that has a tremendous amount of room. So, yep. And it's very squishy. And that pull-up leather, oh my goodness. And it isn't oil tanned, so just be aware of that. But God, those look so good together. Oh, love it. All right, so there you have it. These two came from the second chance sale. And this one I bought from the buy sell trade group. And this one came from the second chance sale. So there you have it. And I got a notice on my drive home that there is a mystery sale with Foxy Fix tonight at 7 p.m. Pacific time. And I might be getting in on that. I don't know. We'll see. But regardless, I love what I got, and I will definitely be using it. And again, if you know what this leather is, if it's the Castle Rock or it might be the Zeus. I think there was a gray. I think it might be the Zeus too. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's probably a retired color, because this just seems too dark for the Nightingale. So anyway, there you have it. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will be back on Thursday.